Temperature has dropped to minus 71 degrees.
In this frozen wilderness, survival becomes nearly impossible.
Every breath freezes instantly. But he refuses to give up.
He searches for a place to build shelter.
The only chance to survive is underground. A snow shelter could save his life. He prepares to dig. The work begins. The frozen ground is extremely hard. He continues digging. But stopping means freezing to death. The entrance tunnel takes shape. He moves underground. Underground, the wind disappears.